So we're back in a hostel, guys. Man, we got here finally. Why are they running? Yeah. Dang it. Hello peeps and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'll be going back to my hostel. Actually guys, there's a lot of things I have to talk to you about. Like I've joined college there in Don Bosco, ITANAGAR. So what I'm gonna do is I'll move back to hostel because new semester is like starting again. I'm currently in second semester, so yeah. Right now I'm here at my brother's place. Ding dong, room is quite messy. Just ignore it for now. But now I'll get ready and then move to hostel. So in this channel I'll show you guys how hostel life is and like my daily activities there in college and all those shits. Just kidding. So now let me get ready and then we'll move out. I've packed all my belongings and yeah, some stuffs are already there in hostel. Right now I'm wearing this pant, this thing, and I don't know. This is my sister's. What? This is what? What? I don't have any idea. So I'm blabbing too much. I'm yapping too much. It's okay. Let's just get with the video. So I'm about to do a light makeup for the day. Damn, I look like shit. So I'm applying blush right now. So what I do with my compact is that, I like apply it fully first, alright? And then just rub all the excess away, so that way only the needed amount is left on your face, so you won't look very cakey and oily at the same time. Then after that I'm gonna go with highlighter. So let me rub it all off first. So the compact is done and this is the highlighter that I use. So as you can see, I'm done putting highlighter right here, here and here. And I'm about to like put some tint on lips portion too. It's from Hillary Road or something, I don't know. So to set all these things up, yeah.
Insane guys, insane the amount of spray I've been using. But what can I do? I love it. And I use this thing to give emphasis on this nose right over here, here and here. Okay.
Okay, so you guys must be wondering what am I doing with my hair. They were like sticking up for some reason, so yeah. I've been trying to, get them down, and these are the things that I use for my lips. This is for bottom lips, and this thing, the cute teddy bear, is for upper lips. Let me show you. Done. I hope I'm looking good. I don't know what's wrong with my hair. I genuinely don't care. Now the outfit. Okay, if you check this jacket, it's not a cold, but still gotta take some precautions, right? And yesterday I was feeling kind of sick, so I'm taking precautions. Also the same white vest and this baggy pants and boots, they're outside. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna go to hostel. Now they'll drop me off to hostel and my usual life, it will start, I guess. So yeah, peace out. already have a trolley in here. So to give you guys an update, I mean, we're done packing all our belongings. Literally, why is there so much stuff? I'm concerned. Bag, stuff, brother, Amma. We're leaving here. Ako kata mami.
Ya. Karena foto
Habis
wasna
je.
isai. Ngani ilu tera ada buka. Alik tama hostel alik tama.
Ngom to daw hata ko ka. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm here in the hostel finally. Whoosh. Ang depressing room niya. Oh, ara naman tayo uniform ko ko yung dokim.
Iyo eh.
So, like that, my parents left, leaving me in this hostel all by myself. Okay, not much, not much of a big issue, cause I mean I'm used to it now. I've been here for like 3 or more months. There's this humongous mirror over here. It's kind of dirty though. So now I'm all by myself. I have so many stuff to do, like literally I have to like wash all the clothes. They are dirty because see, I was to get here like on what 26. So from then on I thought I'm gonna go on 26, but unfortunately I couldn't go. I mean on 26, so from there on I haven't washed my clothes. The one I'm wearing, this is also like kind of dirty, so I have to wash them. Now I'm gonna go and wash my clothes, clean the room, and I'll show you the result, alright? This is a place where we like dry all our clothes. Basically it's for like every one of us, but mostly we are the one using them, like the people who are like staying in S1, S2 and S3, because for other rooms they have like their own place basically where they can hang their clothes. Then so this is the washroom of like our floor. I mean every floor have washrooms for like everyone. These are the rooms. We can obviously see some people are back and some are not. So I'm still progressing. Mopping the floor too, man. As you can see the difference, like literally clearly. God damn! oops, done with everything. So yeah, earlier I was, seizing all these stuffs. Now I'm gonna go take shower because I feel like shit, man. Shit. Ugh. Okay, so yeah, catch you later. I don't actually know the program, but we have this program, and I guess all the hostelers are like supposed to attend the program. I don't want to go, but Warden said I may take rest because I arrived today, so yeah. My lunch, cherry and strawberries. Well, let me show you the room now. Ding 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 ding. Yeah. So damn, college का first day and then bro, like literally it's, oh my god, मेरा मुंह क्यों सूखा हुआ है? Bro, like literally it's 3 p.m. and we have to go to this function. I don't know for what. I hate this year. I hate you. Shut up. So we're going to DK Conventional Hall for some program. So annoying. So we got here. Finally.
Why are they running?
But I'm happy क्यों है?
हम यहाँ पे by chance आ गए
Drama. So apparently guys we're in the wrong address, like these bitches. Damn. नहीं जाओ, हम खींच देगा. जगह तो अच्छा है. Okay, so apparently like we're about to see a play or something. I don't know.
तीन चली थी ना बाल जो पहले कहानी दिख रहा था ना
सेमी तो है. टाइगर बोले सेमी तो.
टाइगर टाइगर
ऑनरेबल एमएलए तो को तालुक सर और साथ ही
जितने भी विशिष्ट जन
आए तो अच्छा किया. तो आपने आज हमको फिर बताया कि वही बच्चा लोग आज फिर काम कर रहे हैं, आपका साथ है.
They are providing refreshment. Yeah, I'm so excited. Line. अजीब सी.
And my friend, we are not playing any dirty politics with the students. It's the students are playing with us.
Bro, पीछे देखो ना, इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. Go, go. Concert.
देना चाहते हैं
Finally
तो बहुत
done.
वेलकम.
Play खत्म.
और अब
Play खत्म. Play खत्म. Lisa. खड़ी हो गई सारी. Presenting our
हॉस्टल डॉट बॉस को नहीं नहीं थिंग है ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुमने हमको हम खुद खींच रहे ऐसा लग रहा है पर ये हमको उसने खींचने दिया गाइस सॉरी पापराजी साली जी हाँ ये बढ़िया जी मुझे ये सब करना पड़ता है
So we're in a rush. नहीं तो हमको सीट नहीं मिलेगा, you know.
100 civic sense हमने इसको उठाए
Yeah.
ब्लॉग में आ जाए हम
सबको सॉरी
Damn.
सबको जोर से सॉरी अभी भी इंसान बहुत है यहाँ पे अगर हम उसको पहले उठेगा तो अभी भी इंसान बहुत है यहाँ पे अगर हम उसको पहले उठे तो हम लोग जाएगा
Fighting for seat. Okay, so this is where it was happening. Damn. So how do you feel about this situation, Miss Lisa?
Don't ask me. I'll go to seat में
यहाँ सब Lisa का गलती है.
so ये ले गया आगे आगे ना बरे
बढ़िया बोल रहे हैं.
ना बरे
और वो पीछे. क्लास कैप्टन थॉमस का.
Yo guys, बहुत मजा आ गया. Thank you.
So we're back in a hostel, guys. Damn.
not hostel it's our home
Yeah, actually,
very globally home
the prison that we are imprisoned into. Just kidding.
it's creamy
No, let's not say bad things about a hostel there.
रेस्टोरेंट में डाल एक बार खोल के देखो ना उसको
We're back in our room, so peaceful. So guys, we're about to have dinner. Come on, let's show you guys what do we get for dinner in this hostel. Face.
guys को भी दिखा दो
Then rice,
क्या
dal, and fish curry. So damn, that was it. Like day khatam. And please ignore my messy hair. I look like shit. Now I'll take medicine as I'm sick. Yeah, actually I'm kind of sick. Yesterday, I don't know, maybe because of nauseousness or dizziness, my hair was spinning. And then, yeah, I took medicine and now I'm having medicine. I need to take those medicines for 3 days. 3 days of medication. So now I'll take shower.
We don't have shower here.
I'll have my... Oh yeah, actually we don't have shower here. Someday I'll show you the bathroom too. Maybe I'll give you a hostel tour or something. I mean, I actually did today, like pretty much, but I have a lot to show you guys. Dang it. Dinner kiya. Naha bhi liya, and what? Now I'll take medicines. Yeah. And so anyways, the day is done. To give a conclusion about it, that was quite boring. Actually, kind of interesting because this morning I came to hostel, cleaned the room up, and then
I met my cute roommate
yeah, I met my cute roommate. And we went to the program. I mean, like literally, the building itself was very bougie, and yeah, everything was quite lavish. It was screaming richness, lavishness. So yeah, I enjoyed it. And now we're back in a hostel, had dinner, took a shower, and yeah, that's how my day ends. Thank you so much. Comment down in the comment section what kind of contents do you guys want to see. Maybe probably I'll be uploading like a hostel tour in my next video. I've shown pretty much hostel today, so I don't think I have much to show, but I'll try to show as much as I can. So yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.